I will present you this one, chocolate and cookie. They have question. They have two question mark. They have one music box right here, and then there's a four right. Only one, not just two. Only one. Okay, let's get started to open. Just kidding. Mama, help me open it. Ta-da! They open. I will show you something. Okay, here's the first one and there's the second one. And then, what should we open first? What should we open first? Come on.
This one?
What is it?
I don't know.
The question mark?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's open this and see what's in there.
No, like this.
Okay. What is this? I think it's a icon chocolate.
Tunggu dulu. Dikasih lihat ini.
Okay. Here's it. And then what's next? Okay, may I open it? Okay. Let's open it and see what is taste. May I eat, Mama? Yes or no?
Yes.
This one. I will eat it.
Coba lihat, show the camera. Oh.
Okay, I will eat it. May I eat a whole?
Half. Yummy. Okay, next.
It's your turn, Paul. Ew.
Look.
What's that?
Tunggu.
Cookie! Paul is the cookie.
Okay.
I wanna open it. Let's see. What did I got? Copa Trupa! I will eat. Mama, I eat the Copa Trupa eye.
Yummy.
You can have one. Okay, the next is I want to choose the music box.
Okay.
Another crunchy chocolate. There's crunchy chocolate. There's a crunchy cookies too. Right on the question mark block. Look, crunchy. It looks small. May I eat it a whole?
Half.
Okay, fine.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Lap dulu pakai tisu.
And the last question was, is carrot. What is this? Guess. Guess. Come on, guys. Guess this. It's corn cookie. I will.
Wow.
Coin.
Yellow.
Only yellow coin.
Rabbit.
Yes, yay, I get it. I will get it and eat. May I eat a whole? Yes or no?
Ya. Kasih tahu dong enak atau rasa apa gitu.
Enak banget.
Sweet or no?
Yummy.
And then
Wait, I will eat this first.
coba mama. Bilang apa?
Okay, guys. See you next on the video. Bye bye.